Good morning. Yesterday's gluggaveður, or window weather, has changed into a soup kitchen. So today we are probably going to be riding in this, hopefully with less wind than yesterday, but we'll see. We have a long day ahead of us to Flókalundur, which is a known place in the south part of the West Fjords, just north of the islands of Breiðafjörður, where we will spend the night, hopefully in good company. So that's all there is for this morning, and just where we're at. Yes, it's a camping spot, and as you can see, it is greyish, and our trusty steeds are ready for today's. So, till then, bye bye.